Hello, welcome to the class of Cybersecurity Foundation. So today we are going to discuss about the cryptography, that is the inscription. So in this class we are going to discuss about what is cryptography and the various inscription techniques, that is symmetric key algorithm standard and the asymmetric key algorithm standards. So let's discuss about what is a cryptography first. So cryptography is a cornerstone or the foundation stone of the modern electronic security technologies. So here the cryptography converts the data into format that is unreadable for an unauthorized user. And the information security uses cryptography to maintain data integrity during transmitting and while storing the informations. So here the cryptography aids in encryption by changing the format of the data and also aid in non-reportization. This means that neither the creator nor the receiver of the information may claim that they didn't create or receive it. So here the cryptography is also known as the cryptology. So let's discuss about first the inscription. So here the inscription is the most effective way to achieve data security. So in network we know that data is transmitted in the form of 1 and 0, and it is very easy for the hacker to steal the data and read or modify it. So the inscription is a process of converting user data into a code in such a way that only authorized parties can access it. So inscription can done in two ways. First one is symmetric key algorithm standard SKS, and second one is asymmetric key algorithm standard AKS. So let's discuss about this. First one is symmetric key algorithm standard SKS. So in this algorithm, the same cryptographic keys are used for both inscription and description of data. So the first standard that used in SKS was DES, that is data inscription standard. So here in DES data inscription standard, it used the 64-bit block and a 56-bit key to encrypt the data. After that, many other encryption techniques are used, such as 3DES, IDEA and the Blowfish. And then the Rivet Cipher 4 RC4 was a very popular SKS algorithm technique used to encrypt data from 2001 to 2013. And nowadays, the TCP/IP application used algorithm inscription standard technique, that is AES technique. So here in AES, it used 128-bit block size or the 128 or 192 or 256-bit key size to encrypt the data. So here there is one problem with SKS. So that is the drawback, that if anyone gets a hold of the keys, can encrypt and decrypt data easily. So there is a need to create a new method which allows the inscriptor to send the key to the descriptor without the fear of the intervention. So the new method was developed known as AKS, that is asymmetric key algorithm standard. Let's discuss about this. The asymmetric key algorithm standard AKS. So in this method of cryptography, the two different cryptographic keys are generated and are used for both inscription and description of data. So in AKS, public key cryptography is used to exchange the key securely between two communicating devices. The two keys generated are private key and the public key. So here the private key is used by sender to encrypt the data and public key is used by the receiver to decrypt the data. So these two keys are known as the key pairs and are generated at the same time and designed to work together. So this is the asymmetric key algorithm standard. So this is all about the cryptography inscription. Thank you.